Craft is mainly used as a screening tool or instrument to screen out any substance, whether it is alcohol, cannabis, cocaine, amphetamine, sleeping pills, sedatives, or any other available substances. And it is mainly used for the substance use disorder screening purpose. Let's come with me to apply, to know the technique of how to apply craft.
Hello friends, I am Dr. S.K. Pandit, head of the department Psychiatry, Central Hospital. Today in this video we will learn how to apply craft screening for substance use disorder, part A and part B. Craft is a screening tool and it is mainly used to cover all the substances for the screening purpose. This interview has two parts, part A and part B. Part A contains 3 questions. During application, you must be assured that during past 12 months and ask the patient that during past 12 months, did you, number 1, drink any substance like alcohol or any other substance, used any other substance, more than a few sips in case of alcohol. Ask second question, smoke any cannabis? And third question, have you used anything else to get high, including illegal drugs, prescription drugs, drugs that are sniffed or puffed? So these are 3 questions you must ask in part A, and it will contain the history of last 12 months. Next, if the answer is yes, then proceed for part B. In part B, there are 6 questions, and this is why the abbreviation is CRAFT, C-R-A-F-F-T, where the first 3 questions, that is C-R-A, and the next 3 questions F-F-T. So this is why this screening tool is known as CRAFT. If the individual answer no to all 3 questions of part A, then don't proceed for part B. And if any one question the answer is yes for the part A, proceed for the part B. Now, so welcome back to the application of part B of the craft. If the answer is yes for the part A, then proceed for the part B. Here, we all know that craft is applied for the screening tool, one of the screening tool for any kind of substance. So, after application of part A, proceed for the part B. If the answer is yes, in part A 3 questions are there. If any question has answered yes, proceed for the next part B. In part B, there are 6 questions. First 3 questions CAR and next 3 questions FFT. And this is why the abbreviation is CRAFT. Now, proceed for first 3 questions. C. Have you ever ridden in a car driven by someone, including yourself, who was high or had been using the alcohol or drug? Next is R. Do you ever use alcohol or drug to relax, feel better about yourself or fit in it? So R for relax. A, C-R-A. A for alcohol. So do you ever use alcohol or any drug while you are by yourself alone? So if you are alone using alcohol, the third question applied. Go for the next 3 questions. 4, 5, 6. Number 4, F. Do you ever forget things you did while using alcohol or drugs? So forget is the main important point over here. Next F, question number 5. Do your family members or friends ever tell you that you should cut down on your drinking or drug use? So here the main point is family or friends annoyed with you or not. And the last question, 6th number, T. Have you ever gotten into trouble while you were using alcohol or any drug. So trouble is the main point over here. So we have covered all 6 questions of the craft part B. Craft part A 3 questions, craft part B 6 questions. So all 6 questions again I want to make a gist. C for car driving, R for relaxation, A for alcohol use in alone, F for forgetfulness, F for family or friends annoyed, and T for any trouble. Now let us understand about the interpretation of the craft. Craft, we know that used for the screening of any substance, and it is one of the most important psychological tool for the screening of substance use, mainly among the young people. So interpretation is very important. Interpretation, 2 or more yes answer indicate potential substance use problem and the need for the further assessment and need for the further help either by the psychologist or the psychiatrist or nearby doctors. Score more than 2 optimally substance related disorder with the high sensitivity and specificity, positive and negative predictive value across age, gender and race. So if the score is more than 2, it is very important to bring the person to the doctor for the further assessment and treatment to avoid any kind of personal, family, social, legal problem in future. Thank you.